guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are at Tallebudgera and I'm here with some of my friends and they're going to tell you their names.
Hi, I'm Jake.
Hi, I'm Cooper.
Hi, I'm Dean.
So right now we're about to climb in that giant tree over there. It's going to be awesome, so let's go. Let's go. Okay, so we're about to climb in the tree. I'm going to go first, then Jake, then Dean, then Cooper. So I'm going to go first.
Jake goes in front, so you're behind me. Alright, we're just sorting out right then. Okay. Let me get up and get stuck. Yep. Get stuck, you can see his bum.
You couldn't get stuck again.
So now I'm up in the tree branch.
Okay. Now I'm gonna climb up, see if this works.
Hey Noe, you're in like the safest spot.
Oh.
Alright, I'm in.
You guys all in?
Yeah. Hi guys, I'm in the tree branch.
No, you have to go.
Jake! Yeah?
Are you good?
Oh my god, I'm gonna stand on this.
No? I'm chilling.
Yeah, I'm good. Go.
Okay, so Dean's stuck in the tree. I think he's shaking right now. Like, it looks like he's shaking. Dean? Dean?
Yeah, I am shaking really badly in this tree.
Help me. Dean is going to die. What do you think about Dean?
He is a bad climber and he gets stuck
All the time.
pretty much like all the time.
Yeah, he's got stuck here like a few times and it's not good. Yeah, so yeah, we're just like chilling here, but he's already had to be rescued.
We're trying to keep him.
Okay guys, so right now we are all pretty high. I'm gonna show you guys all where we are. For starters, I'm in this like little tiny position, like in between these two branches. Then Mason is right there, standing up on this like
highest one.
yeah. Then we got Jake right here, chilling.
Chilling. Yeah.
And then we've got Cooper just holding on to the tree. Yeah, then we got Dean getting fed with Oreos.
With my dad.
And there's Cooper's dad.
Alright?
So yeah, you're just feeding Cooper and Dean. But yeah, we'll check back on you guys later. See you. Okay, guys. So right now I'm on the branch where Dean is. Say hi, Dean.
Hi.
He's stuck right now. For real. Like he doesn't want to move. Now put your foot back down. We do not want you to fall. And Cooper's right next to me.
And I'm up here.
Mason's up there. And Jake is there.
Hello.
Yeah, so we'll make sure we check back up on you guys because this is gonna be a crazy video in a tree. Okay, so Dean is about to get down.
Okay.
It's like yeah.
Put your foot there. Okay, we're about to get you down. Put your other foot back. Right, you got this foot over. Yep. Like that. Yep. Like that. Yep. It's not so bad, see?
I'm gonna hop down.
Is it bad?
No, pass it to me. Okay, guys. So I'm hopping down the tree.
I'm just gonna go.
People are gonna help Dean. Well, all my friends are gonna help Dean get down. I'm gonna give the camera to Mason real quick. So. Oh.
Excuse me, Mason. I really need to go there.
Okay. You good, Dean?
Yep, I'm doing good.
Put your foot down.
I'm getting down right now. So this is where I got stuck, right on this big branch here.
Come on, Dean. I'll catch you.
And I've got down.
No, you will not. Put your bum here and I'll grab you. Quick, like, come on, Dean.
Bit of a slip
Dean,
there, everybody.
Okay, Dean. Slide down slowly. I'll put your bum there. Ready?
we're gonna walk back to hop in the pool. Yeah, so we've got Jake and
Noah.
yeah.
Oi!
Jake and Noah.
I'm here. Hello, everybody. So let's walk back.
Yeah, let's go, everybody. Everybody be slow for me. So right out of the scooter.
I'm right here, one-handed on my bike. Pretty sick. Can't wait to go in the pool. There's some slides there. It's pretty cool. And yeah, so we're going into the pool right now. You ready?
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, I'm
Let's
ready.
do this. Ready to jump in?
Yep.
Ready, Cooper? 3, 2, 1. Woo!
Katie. Hi guys. Alright, so we're getting down the slide right now. Everybody's getting in. So I'm gonna go first. I'm going down now. Come to the other one. Come to one of them. Ready? Let's go! Me and Noah are going down.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go! Me and Dean are going down. Guys, me and Cooper are going down right now. Okay, so let's go. Okay, ready? Here we go. Go, 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 go. Boom. Okay, so I'm gonna go right now. Let's go, Jake. Boom. That's a good one, Jake. Yeah, now it's alright. Go. Go. Go, Cooper. Oh, there goes. Go. Now, Cooper. Now. Go, Cooper. Go, Cooper. Let's go. And there goes Cooper.
Okay, guys, so we just finished up the pool. It's been a good day. We just want to make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications.